Analyze how to check the quality of a battery by using a meco made. Okay, so coming to the concept, this battery tester is made by meco. It can measure a voltage levels of 2 volt level, cell to cell voltage level, 0 to 6 volts is one level of voltage, 0 to 12 volts. So if any battery having an range from 0 to 12 volts, that can be measured by using this meco made battery tester. And how much maximum capacity this can measure is up to 500 Ah capacity. Already we know that the battery capacity is expressed in ampere hour or watt hour. Okay, so maximum capacity up to 500 Ah we can measure the health of a battery by using this meco made battery tester. And coming to this model, this meco made battery tester model, what we are performing the experiment is BM63. Just like if you see this experiment, then automatically you can understand how to operate this battery tester. Sir, what is the procedure of testing the health of a battery by using this tester? So procedure is, first connect the terminals to the battery. Okay, so battery also will have positive terminal and battery also will have negative terminal. Here also this tester is provided with positive terminal as well as with negative terminal. Okay, just we have to connect to those terminal. Next one, load the meter less than how many seconds? 3 seconds. How to load this meter? Okay, you can see here. So this is the switch provided. This is nothing but a mechanical switch. If you hold it for 3 seconds, automatically it will release, will come to the original position. Okay, so we have to hold it with mechanically for how many seconds? 3 seconds. More than 3 seconds you should not hold. So you can see at the back you are going to have a resistive coil. At the back of this meter, what you are going to have? A resistive coil. It's a tungsten based coil. So if you press this button for 3 seconds, automatically the current will flow into this resistive coil and it is going to show that value with the help of this instrumentation. Okay, so load the meter only for how many seconds? 3 seconds. If you wantedly hold it for more than 6 seconds, automatically what will happen? The meter will damage. So that's what the precaution you should take, or what is the procedure you have to follow while measuring the battery tester. Okay, next, read the meter readings with load on. Okay, so you have to take this reading only when? By holding this button. Okay, so for example you are not holding, just if you take the value it will show only the voltage, which is meaningless. Okay, so you have to hold this button and you have to take the reading, then only it shows the exact the load value of the meter. Okay, so we will also perform it, there's no need to worry. Coming to the instrumentation, how it is divided, already told. So it can measure 0 to 2 volts. So 0 to 2 volts it can measure. Next one, 0 to 6 volts. This 0 to 6 volts it is divided like first one is red color, next one is yellow color, next one is green color. You can see here 0 to 6 volts red color, next one is yellow color, next one is green color. Okay sir, what is this colors? Red color means you can come to a conclusion your battery is badly damaged, we have to go with replacement of battery. Yellow means it is weak, either we have to top up with distilled water or we have to keep continuous charging. If it is showing green color, what is the meaning? Battery condition is healthy. So we have the range from 0 to 2 volts it can measure 0 to 2 volts it can measure, 0 to 6 volts it can measure, 0 to 12 volts. So we are testing the battery from 0 to 12 volts level, and from 0 to 12 also you have 3 readings. One is red, yellow, green. Okay, you can see in the meter. Okay, so now we are measuring from 12 volts level, and you can see here, so these are nothing but different arcs. Each arc is having a different capacity. The lower arc can measure 4 Ah capacity, the next arc can measure 18 Ah, next third arc can measure 40 Ah, next arc can measure 48 Ah. Okay, so now this is what is the rating of this battery? You can see here this is an 40 Ah, so it is nothing but third arc. Okay, in the third arc the value will be shown here. Like this, at fourth arc is 145, fifth arc is 280, last arc is 500 Ah. So like that you have different arcs and different colors in this meter. Based on the color you can identify, and it is shown here green color, battery health is okay. The red terminals to the positive terminal of the battery. So connect this black wire to the black terminal of the battery and hold the battery tester at the top with a clamp which is provided, and it is showing the voltage. Is it the exact value? Is a wrong value. Okay, what is the voltage rating of this battery? This is a 12 volt system battery, and what is its capacity? 40 ah. So 40 ah means which arc we have to see? 1 2 3, third arc value we have to consider. Okay, so now how much value it is showing? 12.5. This is which voltage? Load voltage or no load voltage? No load voltage. This is not exact. So based upon this no load voltage, we can say health of charging of the batteries. This is fully charged. What is the voltage level? 12.5. This battery is fully charged. So now how to measure is, I already told, use this button and hold it for 2 seconds. So I have been hold it for 2 seconds, and what is its value it is showing? That's all, you leave it. So when it is hold, you have to take the reading. What is the reading it is showing? So it is between red and green. What is the value it has shown? 11. What is the position of the battery now? It is healthy or weak? It is healthy or weak? You see here it is producing some sort of heat. Okay, it is showing which color? Yellow color. Yellow color means the battery is in the position of what? Weak. What we have to do with this battery? We have to charge the battery. But under no load condition, how it is showing? Under no load condition,